Brandon, are you excited to try some street food?
I'm super stoked to get the same thing that I get every time I go get street food.
Food truck crew.
What's up, Braden, 25 from Vegas.
Trevor, 30 from Toronto.
Sophie, 25 from Germany.
Lauren, 28, New York.
Javier, 33 from Argentina.
Angie, 28, Mexico City. Leslie, 26, Mexico City.
First bite.
Nice steak.
Cheers.
Cheers.
What's in your quesadilla?
Barbacoa.
What is that?
It's like lamb. It's really good. It's from Jalisco and Michoacan.
No?
Got just some chicken tacos, like a basic bitch.
How do you compare it to Chipotle tacos?
YouTube is gonna fucking hate me. I haven't had a single place in Mexico that I like more than Chipotle.
Oh.
Don't ask me that question.
So these are the vegetarian tacos. Onions, cucumber. Alright, we're gonna throw in some lime in there, and I put like 5 different sauces on it.
So you guys are from Mexico City. What is like the most traditional food? You said your grandma made a lot of really good traditional Mexican food, right?
We have pozole, which is different actually in the different regions of Mexico. It could be white or green or red. So with they put like sauce and it's red, and in Guerrero it's green, and in Mexico City it could be like white or red. And it's like a big soup with corn and chicken, pork, and some spice and herbs.
Green sauce, we got red sauce, we got another green sauce.
Whoa, I had no idea. That's how it looks, the concoction. I've just mixed it in now, and alright, let's give it a go. Interesting. I was expecting the corn to be a bit softer, but I just let it marinate a bit.
It's delicious.
What is it? It's like, is it different than...
It's corn flour, like masa, and then chicken inside.
Azúcar and este? Oh, sí.
¿Cacao también? Este no tiene cacao. Coconut and corn.
Tell me how this tastes.
It's fine, I guess. Usually a bit more sugar, probably. But it's fine. This is like corn, really.
He's like,
It is a little bit. Yeah.
she's like, it's greedy, right?
What is that?
Some ciruelas dulces.
I'm not allowed to touch anything anymore. Okay. Let's see.
The Mexican plum.
Ooh, it's so juicy. Very juicy.
What does it taste like? Just a regular plum?
No, very sweet. Kind of like rainy a little bit. Maybe.
What does it smell like?
Cilantro, basically. That's the smell.
Okay.
Y dos más cuchillas, por favor.
What kind of spices are you feeling in there?
It's actually not too spicy at all. But it's definitely like, you know, a beef broth, just cilantro, the onions. The meat is like super tender. I want to add some lime.
de camote de jamón y queso.
Sweet potato and cabbage.
Pues una vegetariano, otra con
So I just got a vegetarian torta, and it's basically like a sandwich. Like I feel like there's like the queso in there, all the different vegetables, and I think they put some like beans in there too, which I really like.
I didn't record a proper ending to this, so hope you enjoyed exploring random food trucks in Playa del Carmen with a bunch of gringos, and I will see you next time. Ciao, ciao.